Today is the 21st of July 2021. You can press the button. Here's Jönsaksenpolku, Jönsaksenpolku course is here in Myyrmäki, Vantaa in Western Vantaa, here in Helsinki, as also in modernized Finland. Also built by ValmetSchlieren in 1976. It has to be, or not 76, turned 45 years old this year, in 2021. Because it's one person sold to 350 rooms. And now the serial number is VS4538 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. No memory in these ones.
Yeah.
But it's still amazing. And it's actually 325 grams.
Yeah. It's probably late 1976 because it says 325 kilograms.
Yes. Even though they started building it while they were finishing the railway stations, maybe.
Yeah. Tässä on Skött ja Kaaren Ilves.
Mm-hmm.
Tippaa liftiin sitten mentiin pois sillä.
I like the doors here.
Same here.
And I think each staircase has 6 floors.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Now let's go to the rest of the staircases here. From C to H, 6 more. You can watch the staircase A here as well.
That's